What's good, you shitters? Today, me, the lovable Sunny3 Slayer Tumblr, is gonna teach you how to cook some fucking ramen. So let's get started. Step 1. Get the biggest fucking pot you can find. You know if it's big, if it can fit on your head. Shit. Step 2, you need some motherfucking water for this motherfucking bitch. So you're gonna get fuck! Don't have my measuring cup and the fucking camera fell. Shit. So what you do is that you get your fucking glass. See this shit? This is a glass. I had to fuck me slipping. Bitch, I will murder your family. Okay, now you get some water. Okay, now when you get your water, you'll pour that shit in. Don't be gentle. Make sure it knows it's nothing. Then you take the heat and you put it to fucking max. Now you wait. Now when you're waiting, you can do various things around the house. But if you Fortnite dance, I swear to fucking God, I'm gonna fucking murder you. I'm gonna abort you. Abort night, motherfucker! So now you just wait for a little bit. Shit's taking too long. Okay, we're gonna skip to the next step. You get your fucking ramen. We got that quality chicken. You know, the dumbass bird. Just get that shit right in there. Hell yeah! And then you just wait some more. Awkwardly. Until you start thinking how much of your life you've thrown away. You don't need that seasoning. Season's for bitches. But if you are a bitch, then you wait for this for approximately 3 minutes. Then when it's all turned up and shit, you turn your heat off, stir it some more with your... Where the fuck this thing is. Then you add the fucking flavor thing. You gotta break that shit open, pour it in there. And you're fucking done. That's how you make ramen. Do not let it cool. If you let it cool, you're a fucking incel and a troglodyte.